Hello everyone. There is a problem with the phone. Half of the touch screen is coming off. I tilt the phone and see the touch screen moves away, but the phone is in working condition. In this case, you need to seal the touch screen. Special glue T7000 is suitable for gluing. When you unscrew the cap, you see a special awl and a thin hole nozzle. I will also need alcohol and an old, unnecessary toothbrush. First of all, you need to clean and degrease the perimeter of the gluing connector. Next, I take alcohol and fill the tube with it. I wet the brush with alcohol. Now, I carefully clean the perimeter of the touchscreen gluing. Remove old glue, dust, debris, etc. I clean and degrease both the perimeter side of the phone and the glass side. Now, I'm waiting a little for the alcohol to dry. Now, after the alcohol has completely dried, I apply glue around the perimeter of the phone. I start from the top corner. Carefully apply a layer of glue, especially near the camera. I try to apply glue only in one layer around the perimeter. I apply one layer around the perimeter. Now wait 5 minutes until the glue dries a little, and now gently press the glass. In order for the touchscreen to stick and hold perfectly, it needs to be pressed with something. It can be pressed with clothespins or special rubber bands for banknotes. I distribute the rubber bands evenly across the touchscreen. Now I wait 24 hours, and after this period, the touchscreen will hold securely. Thank you for your attention. Like, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.